Okay guys, as the title says, $10 for $1,000 worth of parts. There's a couple ways this is going to work though. So listen to the entire video and get a chance to get $1,000 worth of parts. So I've always felt like I've had a bigger purpose in life, and that's to help others. I strongly feel like that's what I'm good with, and that's what I like to do. And a way that I can use this with my YouTube channel and other car enthusiasts is by coming up with this, with what I have planned here. These videos will be updated through YouTube. I know I have a lot of pre-recorded stuff, so that'll be uploaded in between these videos, but these will be recorded and put up instantly. So, $10 for $1,000 worth of parts. There are a few rules on how we're going to do this, okay? You must be able to bring your car to me in Tucson, Arizona. So if you're in a neighboring state and you're able to bring the car to me, awesome. If you're in Phoenix, Prescott, another city, Yuma, and you're able to bring the car to me, awesome. I need that to be done. That's a must. If there's issues on getting the car to me because the car doesn't run, message me and we'll work out the details, and I will bring up more of that a little bit later. This is going to be free labor on my end. Again, this will all make sense at the end of this video. So it'll be free labor on my end. If I need help from a friend, we'll be paying that friend out of the $1,000. Okay, so keep that in mind. If it's something that I cannot do, or I don't feel comfortable with, or something along those lines. Again, this will make sense here shortly. So, how to join and how to enter to win $1,000 for paying $10. That's all you're paying is $10, and you get a chance to win $1,000 worth of parts. Okay, you're going to need a Facebook. Okay, I will make a post. This is going to be like a raffle in a way. It's going to be 100 spots, $10 per spot. The link in the description box will have the Facebook post. You're going to have to go to that, select a number that you want, and PayPal me. You'll have to gift me $10. So there's going to be 100 spots, $10 per spot. Remember, it's free labor on my end as well, and it's $1,000 worth of parts. So the only thing that I will do is put a grounding kit on your car, because I do make grounding kits for several chassis. Pretty well known with that. I've done hundreds of grounding kits. So that $70 item that I sell will come out of the $1,000. So I want to throw that out there now. So you'll get $930 worth of parts. Just keep in mind, you're still paying just $10, okay guys? So you're paying $10 to win $930 after my grounding kit. If you already have my grounding kit, then you're getting the $1,000. So you'll gift the money. I will make a separate group chat on Facebook with everyone that's in there. Reason to do that, to keep in contact with everyone and have everyone in a chat. Also, this will help for, if this is successful, this will help later on. If I do decide to do another one, I'll be able to post the link in that chat so you guys can follow it, and then the next one will be its new chat for everyone that enters that one. So keep that in mind. So let's see. Let's go before the winter. if you guys have any questions, message me on Facebook. If you guys send a friend request, I'll be honest, I won't add it. I probably won't add you. I'm very weird on my Facebook. I only like to add people that I have met in person. It's just me. It's just the way I do it. But a few people snuck through the cracks though, but that's because that's my choice. But so message me if you guys have a question. Can you put this on? Or for instance, if you win $1,000, that could be wheels, coilovers, intake, header, headlights, body kit. I don't know what else. There's a lot of stuff out there for $1,000. You could do a lot of cool stuff. If it's a lip kit, whatever you guys want, it's what you guys want. It's what the winner wants. But if you have questions, message me. If it's a tune, you want a tune to use a tune out of this $1,000. Sure, I know tuners. I can message them. I can get the price, and we could do that for you. I have people locally that can help. So that is the plan. The winner will be picked through random org. So I can do a live video on Facebook, and I will post it in the post of the 100 slots. Some of you guys have already done some raffling. You guys will know what this looks like. If you guys haven't and you guys have questions, please message me. Okay? Because this is your chance to get pretty much $930 for a $10 purchase. So, if you guys have any questions, comment below. For all you out-of-state guys that are subscribed to my channel, I'll try to think of something for you guys. I'll try to think of something. Right now I'm trying to keep it local, and for those wondering how does this benefit me, why am I doing this, why am I doing free labor, it's exposure for myself. It's putting my channel out there. You guys, one of the rules that I did forget to mention is subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this is where you guys will be seeing chances like this. I'll be uploading it through my YouTube channel, but that's how I will benefit. That's how it's going to work out for me, is exposure for my channel. You guys subscribe to my channel, you guys will then be able to see upcoming ones coming up. If this goes well, then I could do it again, and you guys will see the upload. You guys will be first to see it, because it'll be uploaded to my YouTube account before I post it on Facebook. But not only are you guys getting $930 for whatever parts that I am capable of installing, you're also getting free labor. So the only thing I'm benefiting out of this is making content on it. So you guys, let me know what you guys think. Remember to enter. Go to the Facebook link down below. You must be local. You must be able to get the car to me. So cars gotta be drivable. If you guys are watching this and you guys are local and you guys have a stock car, you don't want to do nothing crazy, but you need all kinds of maintenance, whatever $1,000 worth of parts and maintenance is. Besides the grounding kit, remember, it's $70. So $930 worth of whatever parts you need. If it's stock suspension, gaskets, I don't know. If you guys aren't modding the car, that's a lot. A radiator, I don't know. You guys, there's all kinds of stuff we can do for $1,000. So it's up to you guys if you guys want to help me out and get this done. But like I said, my subscribers outside of that are too far to bring your car to me, I'll think of something for you guys. Post in the comment. I'll think of something. You guys float some ideas, but this is a chance to get $1,000 worth of parts for $10. It's a way for me to kind of help out others, and you have a chance to get some parts that you probably don't expect on getting. So, trying to think what else I have. Winner goes through random org. Message me if you guys have questions. I'll create a Facebook group chat for those that pay. Remember, you got to do it through PayPal, and you got to send it as a gift. I'll put my PayPal account in the Facebook link. And yeah, guys, so let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, share the video. If you're in Arizona, share it. The quicker we get to 100 people, the quicker we'll have a winner. And also, this is just for starters. We can maybe do $20 for 100 spots, or $20 for 50 spots, and that's 1,000. But you have a better chance of winning. But like I said, we could do $20, 100 spots. That's $2,000 worth of parts you can get. And remember, I'm benefiting from creating the content. If you're a friend that's a mechanic, if you are a friend, or if you are a mechanic and you want to do this and you don't want me working on your car, that's fine, as long as I'm able to make the content out of it. Bring you the parts, you install it, I'll record and make the content of it. That's fine with me too. But remember, subscribe to the channel. There will be a Facebook link at the bottom to the Facebook post. Pick a number, you PayPal me the $10, and I will add you into a Facebook group chat to stay connected. And then when that raffle's done, in that group chat, I can post when I'll do another one. I call it a raffle, but it essentially is in a way for you to win $930. So, you guys give me some feedback. Remember, this is enough money to do wheels, tires, suspension, coilovers, header intake, radiator. So, but remember, $930. You have the chance to win, guys. So, I hope that this works out, and we hook somebody up with basically paying $10 and gets $900 worth of mods and free labor on my end. So, I'm excited. I really do hope this works. Hopefully it's not a long shot. Just keep in mind, you're paying $10. That's it. You're paying $10. It's going to be through random org, and I will do a live video on Facebook to where you can see it in that post. So, thanks guys, and I hope this works out, and I hope to meet someone that gets the money. You guys get to come over here, get to slap some mods on hopefully, and you get to leave happy. And keep in mind, if you guys do suspension parts, and you guys do need obviously an alignment, that $920, $30 can be used for that alignment. So, lots of cool stuff we can do, guys. There's so much we can do. I just need the support from the local Arizona guys. Take a chance. $10. Get $930. Let's do this, guys. I'm super stoked. Let's get it done.